Have you ever found yourself pondering the term pseudonymization in the context of business intelligence? Well, you're not alone. It's a term that pops up more often than you might think, and it's of significant importance in today's data-driven world. Pseudonymization, in its simplest form, is a data protection method. Picture a masquerade ball. Each guest arrives wearing a mask, hiding their true identity. They may interact, dance, even share a few laughs, but their real names remain a mystery. Pseudonymization works in a similar fashion. It masks or replaces sensitive data with fictitious yet realistic-looking information, known as pseudonyms. Imagine a database filled with customer information. Names, addresses, phone numbers, the works. Now, in the world of business intelligence, this data is gold. It helps businesses understand customer behavior, trends, and preferences. However, it's essential to protect this information from potential misuse. This is where pseudonymization steps in. Pseudonymization replaces the original data with unique identifiers or pseudonyms that bear no relation to the original data. Jane Doe might become customer 123. John Smith could be customer 456. The real identities are hidden, yet the pseudonyms allow the data to be used for analysis, just like at our masquerade ball. The guests, or in this case the data, can still interact and provide valuable insights without revealing their true identities. Now, you might be wondering, how is pseudonymization different from anonymization, another common term in data protection? Well, the key difference lies in reversibility. Anonymization permanently erases the original data, making it impossible to trace back to the source. Pseudonymization, on the other hand, is reversible. With the correct authorization and the right key, the original data can be restored. To summarize, pseudonymization is a vital tool in business intelligence. It allows for the utilization of valuable data while protecting sensitive information. It replaces original data with pseudonyms, ensuring privacy yet enabling analysis. And unlike anonymization, pseudonymization is reversible, meaning the original data can be restored if necessary. Remember, in an age where data is king, protecting it is paramount. Pseudonymization offers a way to leverage this data responsibly, ensuring that businesses can glean valuable insights while keeping customer information safe. So, the next time you hear the term pseudonymization in business intelligence, you'll know exactly what it means.